From Israel to Ukraine, Patriot missiles redeployed as Zelensky claims 92 drones downed on Poland's border. NATO allies rush in more firepower, but Russian swarms pierce European skies from Lithuania to Denmark. For Europe, the front line is no longer Ukraine alone. Ukraine has quietly expanded its air defense network with the arrival of a US-made Patriot system from Israel. President Volodymyr Zelensky confirmed on September 27th that the system has already been operational for a month and will be joined by 2 additional batteries in the autumn.
The Israeli complex operates in Ukraine. For a month. It operates for a month. We will get 2 Patriot systems in Syria. Putin will not wait for the end of the war in Ukraine. He will open some other direction. No one knows what it is. No one knew what it was, and does not know to the end. But, of course, he wants it. He checks the ability of Europe. He checked that the ability to protect its sky from modern drones of Russia is not yet in the Europeans.
Back in May, the New York Times revealed that one of Israel's Patriot batteries, previously used to defend its skies, would be upgraded and redeployed to Ukraine. Analysts noted that, combined with systems from Germany or Greece, Kyiv could soon command around 10 Patriot batteries in total. Israel's ambassador to Ukraine, Michael Brodsky, confirmed in June that these systems once shielded Israel but are now protecting Ukrainian cities from Russian strikes. The Netherlands has also stepped in. Dutch Defence Minister Ruben Brekelmans announced in August a $583 million package, including Patriot missiles.
The Netherlands will deliver a $583 million package of US weapon systems, including Patriot parts and missiles.
The announcement made the Netherlands the first NATO ally to directly supply Patriot components. European partners have agreed to send US-made weapons from their stockpiles, with costs covered by a joint replenishment deal. Ukraine is now building a layered defence shield that integrates Germany's Iris-T and Gepard, France and Italy's SAMP-T and US Patriots. While bolstering its air defences, Ukraine continues to confront escalating drone threats. Zelensky said that his forces had intercepted 92 drones heading towards Poland during a Russian strike, marking yet another reminder of the war's expanding risks.
92 drones flew to Poland. We shot down everything. 19 flew to them. Yes, we shot them down on the territory of Ukraine. Of course, we can say that they flew to us. But we see the direction and, as they say, the choreography of this flight. Therefore, we believe that 92 flew. We shot down everything. 19, we believe, flew. 4 shot down the Poles. Thank you. Civilized countries differ from wild ones in that they never start first and are not aggressors. But it does not mean that they are weak, and you do not have to show weakness.
Meanwhile, several media outlets reported on September 27th that unidentified drones were detected in the airspace of Denmark, Lithuania and Finland. The incidents come as Russian drones and military aircraft have increasingly entered NATO airspace, prompting heightened alert and readiness across the alliance. Recent violations have been reported in Estonia, Poland and Romania. In Denmark, drones were spotted near several military facilities, including Karup Air Base, one of the country's key Air Force facilities. The Danish Defence Ministry confirmed drone activity was detected at Skridstrup Air Base and the Jutland Dragoon Regiment, but would not confirm local media reports of sightings above the country's biggest military base near Karup. In Lithuania, 3 drones were spotted flying near Vilnius Airport, causing delays to 7 commercial flights. Danish Prime Minister Mette Frederiksen warned earlier this week that Europe faces a hybrid war. Sweden has now lent Denmark anti-drone technology ahead of an EU summit in Copenhagen. Tensions also spilt onto Ukraine's western frontier. Kyiv accused Hungarian reconnaissance drones of crossing into its territory, prompting a sharp rebuke from Budapest.
President Zelensky is losing his mind to his anti-Hungarian obsession. He's now starting to see things that aren't there.
Relations between Ukraine and Hungary have soured, with Budapest blocking Kyiv's EU accession and relying heavily on Russian energy supplies through the Druzhba pipeline.